Hey, welcome to How to Fix a Workshop. My name is Josh, and in this video I'm going to be installing an additional light fixture in my stairway. So I'm here in my stairwell and I'm trying to put in an additional light right here. I already started with this hole because the only one that we have currently is down at the bottom of the stairs, and it's one of these old, some people refer to them as a boob light. I don't know what the proper terminology is, but we're going to be putting in this more fancy 3 fixture light that's going to go right up there, and hopefully it'll illuminate the stairs a little bit better because it's kind of dark as you walk down. What I was hoping that I was going to be able to do is just run electric wire from this box here through the wall here, and I thought this would all be hollow, but it turns out it's not. This isn't just a stud wall. I guess this is like the joist or the I don't know, the band board or whatever. First started out by just trying to find the studs, and I didn't find any studs in the wall, so I thought maybe there wasn't any studs, but of course that didn't turn out to be the case. I should have known better, because this is a beam that I guess goes to the from the garage and then all the way across to the other side of the house. So I started out by using a hole saw, these guys here, to cut through the drywall, and I wasn't getting anywhere. So I drilled a hole, like a 1-inch hole here through this beam, and then I had to go out and buy this like 16-inch, 3/4-inch spade bit that's going to go through here, and there's actually another like engineered joist that's underneath here. So it turned out to be a much bigger project than I expected it to be. And there we go. So this wire now feeds through both joists and comes out down here. So this is the underside of where this light is. And then I'm going to tie this wire in here to this box, and then it'll control this fixture. So I just tied those together with the wire nuts that were there, just added them in their place. So if you are concerned about doing this wiring yourself or electricity, don't try this, but it is relatively safe. Just make sure you turn off the breaker and then test it. So I do have the power back on right now, and this wire isn't beeping with my little tester here. The switch isn't on, or the light isn't on. So once I switch it on, the light comes on, and then this wire is hot. Now that the box is back up in the ceiling, it's time to reinstall the light fixture, the boob light. In that hole that was cut out of the drywall, I put this metal electrical box. I was gonna have a retrofit plastic box in that spot if I had a hollow opening here, but this metal box is designed to just go below or even with the 3/4-inch drywall. So this is a 3/4-inch deep metal box. So the bracket for the light fixture will then attach to this box. Here's my metal bracket up on the wall. I turn the power back off and then strip these wires down. So the next step will be to take the light fixture and then attach the black and the white and the ground wire and attach everything up here. And then we'll be trying to turn the power back on and make sure this baby works. Now we got our wire nuts attached, and the ground wire is connected to the ground wire coming out of the wall. But we got it all, got the fixture all in, and let's give it a try. It looks pretty nice. It offers a lot more lighting in our stairway here. So if this video helped you out, if it gave you any ideas, any inspiration, if you enjoyed watching it, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.